So this particular host only allows one website with the free account, but it's free, so you can't really complain. So if you want to load another site, what you have to do is adjust the database information. And let's see. So I would probably delete this one, okay, and then create a brand new one. For the app that you're going to be uploading. Okay, so if you chose to upload Authentication, which should be similar to your final project, you'd go into the web config. I'm guessing your name is default connection. And I'm going to make that password the same. Oops, chose the wrong version of SQL. That is a problem. Yeah, let me get rid of that one. Create another one. Make sure I choose the right version of SQL. And then we've got our connection string. And I have to put that in here. And I'm going to pause while I fill in my password. And let me run a little build here. Okay, so normally the procedure, just want to make sure you guys have this down. Normally the procedure, would be to create a new site. But because we're only, and then do a database for that site. But because we're only allowed one site, this is what we're going to have to use. Now, if you don't like the name, my test site, you can change it, to whatever you want. I'm just going to keep the same name. Go back out to websites. And the FTP information really shouldn't have changed. Okay, so the FTP should still work. And I've set up my database. So now I'm going to go over here. And let's see, I believe I ran a build. And I'm going to publish. Okay, so I want folder, and I'm going to pick advanced. And I'm going to put that remote string right in here. And I'm going to pause while I put in my password. And let me save. And I'm going to go ahead and create the profile. And you'll notice that there's edit, rename, delete. Okay, you can do a new target. You can edit. You could rename, you can delete it. I'm going to go ahead and publish. And I'm watching my output. So it did succeed. So at this point, I can FTP because I've already got all of the connection information that was necessary. So I am going to go ahead, and it's probably disconnected me from the site. So I'm going to establish a new connection. And I'm opening it. I'm going to delete all of this. And then I need to find the authentication folder. I believe that's it. Yep, there's release. Let me open up publish. And this is actually going to display now at the site instead of the to-do list. So once it is done FTPing, you can come out here, click the link, and now instead of the to-do list, you have the authentication app, which actually shouldn't have anything in it, I don't think. And remember, it won't let you create unless you are logged in. So let's register, and we're going to be administrator. All right, so now we should be able to create. Let's see, how old should Freddie be? And I would be allowed to edit and delete because I am an administrator. Administrators and managers can create and edit. So I'm going to log off. And if I am not logged in at all, I can see the index, but I can't create or edit or delete. Okay, so this is working. And this is going to be very similar to how you're going to have to set up your final projects.